Guys, hello guys, welcome to the channel The Revision Desk. I hope you are preparing for your exams and doing your best. So today I'm going to talk about the science and technology current affairs for the December 2025. Okay, and I hope you have seen the old videos which belongs to December 2025. The aim of the channel is to share my learnings, the journey, and let get to be a platform where, with the audio itself, things can be covered. And I hope you like this initiative. You can give me your suggestions, feedback in the comments. You can motivate me by subscribing to the channel. And in coming days, we'll be seeing even the previous year questions, MCQs, as well as clarity based explanations, revisions, etc. So you can see the description for further details. Let's get started. So science and technology for December 2025, they have a bit more in length, so the video could be bit longer. Okay, so let's get started. The first one: ban on manufacture, sale, and distribution of the medicine nimesulide. Okay, so there is a ban on this drug. Who has given this ban? The ban was given by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare on 31st December. Why it has been banned? It is non-steroidal. Okay, it is anti-inflammatory, but if it is more than 100 mg in any particular tablet, it is giving serious liver and kidney problems. So this is anti-inflammatory, means painkiller kind of thing. So if this nimesulide compound, if it is more than 100 grams, then it is causing serious problem in the liver and kidney damage. So it has been banned. And this the from which power, which act has given the power to ban this? It is under the Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940, under section 26 subsection A. Okay, section 26 subsection A, Drug and Cosmetics Act 1940. There is a ban on manufacture, sale, and distribution of the drug nimesulide. Okay, then first oral drug approved for thalassemia. I hope you have I have a limited data on thalassemia. I hope you people know about it. It is a anemic blood related disease where mostly it is gene based, like families itself through genes they get this, where blood is not formed, and if there is a cut on the body, blood keeps on flowing out. If I'm wrong, can you rectify me in the chat, in the comments? Okay, so it has very less treatment. So first time there's from by the US Food and Drug Administration, FDA, drug has been prepared and it got approved for the oral intake. It's a tablet for oral intake for the treatment of thalassemia. Okay, so what is the drug name? It is aquasme, aquasme, AQVESME, aquasme. So it's the active ingredient. It has an active ingredient called mitapivat. Mitapivat is active ingredient in the drug Aquasme, which will help in it's a tablet which will help in controlling or rectifying the thalassemia issue. Then IISC IISC developed multi-purpose molecular device. Okay, so Indian Institute of Science, okay, they have succeeded in making a molecular scale device as a part of long efforts to take electronics beyond silicon. So beyond using silicon in particular electronics, we the Indian Institute of Science, they have worked a lot to make a molecular scale device. It could be a small device in place of silicon. Okay, then how will it work? This technology is based on molecules called ruthenium, 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 which scientists designed and assembled in a specific way. So that assembling take a lot of efforts. Okay, so it's a new molecular device developed by IISC. Then comes ground test of SSLV's third stage. So what is SSLV? Satellite launch vehicle. Okay, so satellite launch vehicle. It is we have done the third stage of its testing. It is what testing? Let us see that. But conducted by whom? It is conducted by Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) on 30 December 2025. Okay, where it was conducted? It was conducted at the Solid Motor Static Test Facility. The facility means there is a place name. So the area name, the place name is Solid Motor Static Test Facility. It is located in Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Okay. But why did they do this testing? To check the performance of the third stage propulsion system, because if rocket has to go properly, all tests must be done right. So to check the performance of the third stage propulsion system, evaluate the structural strength and thermal performance, and ensure reliability before the flight. To have this checking, they have done this test. Then this is one of the more important thing. So inauguration of next gen civil helicopter through NG. So you are aware that Hindustan Aeronautics Limited manufactures the helicopters for the army. Okay, it is a division which manufactures army for the helicopters for army. But first time on 30 December 2025 in Bengaluru, they have made a civil helicopter, means useful for the common people. Common people means not like a taxi service, but still it is for the citizens at large. So it is useful in VIP transport, medical evacuation, tourism, maritime operations, disaster relief, and search and rescue. It has a capacity to withstand heavy atmospheric pressures and issues as well. Okay, what is the feature of this through NG? It has twin engine. The engine name is Shakti 1H1C engine. Capacity up to 14 passengers, and it can speed up to 285 kilometers per hour. And civil certified glass cockpit and advanced avionics is there in this helicopter. Then one more, you might have heard about rare elements in a lot, right, in the last 1 year. So India ranked third in the rare element reserve. We lack the technology to extract, but the reserves, we do possess the quantity in our country. So on December 29, through a report by Amicus Growth, it says top 3 countries in the world that has rare earth element reserves are: first China with 44 million ton reserves, next Brazil 21 million ton reserves, then India 6.9 million ton reserves. Okay, so that's where our country lies in the third place in having rare earth elements. And friends, you might have seen lot of YouTube ads, or from lot of campaigns where we have seen children or young adults having this spinal dystrophy, this kind of nervous disease, nerve related genetic disease, where they will completely paralyzed, right, and the treatment is too costly. So first time this therapy has been we can say developed. This is called ITIVISMA gene therapy. Okay, this therapy is the new treatment for the rare and severe genetic disease called spinal muscular atrophy, and it was developed where at Sheikh Khalifa Medical City in Abu Dhabi on 26 December 2025. They have declared it, and it can be given to children about 2 years and to adults instead of long term medicine. This one gene therapy treatment is a one time treatment, helps us to recover from the spinal genetic disease, spinal muscular atrophy. It has been seen that this IT okay, ITIV SMA gene therapy, we can see it is like Ona Semno gene Abe Parovic Brave. Okay, is a one-time FDA approved gene therapy approved in November 2025, designed to treat spinal muscular atrophy in patients aged 2 years and older. So we can remember that it is a treatment for the spinal muscular atrophy issue. Then ship Anja Deep inducted into Navy. So what is the ship about? This ship it is an anti-submarine warfare shallow watercraft. Anti-submarine warfare, anti-submarine warfare shallow watercraft. This is inducted in by Navy on 22nd December in Chennai. So Chennai port has this vessel is in Chennai port, and is built by Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, Kolkata. These manufacturers are Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers. What is the feature? It is this INS Anjadeep anti-submarine warfare shallow water aircraft is approximately 77 meters long. Okay, it is the largest indigenous Indian Navy warship with water jet propulsion. Okay, it's the largest Indian Navy warship, 77 meters long, with water jet propulsion. This is the ship Anjadeep. Then we have this Bluebird Block 2 satellite is launched. Okay, is launched on 24 December 2025. What is this? It is launched. It is a of course you can see it is a satellite launch vehicle. It was launched by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, on 24 December. Launch vehicle is LVM3M6. LVM3M6 is the launch vehicle. It's called Bahubali. It's one of the biggest rocket. Okay, and the launch site is Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. What does it has? This carrier, this vehicle has next generation US communication satellite of AST Space Mobile. So AST Space Mobile has given the rocket launching to ISRO because it is the next generation US communication satellite. It is weighing about 6,100 kgs. Also, this vehicle has part of the global LEO constellation or part of the global LEO constellation that will provide direct mobile connectivity through satellites. So mobiles are connected through satellites, not through the network. That connectivity through satellites, that instruments are there here. Then this is the third dedicated commercial mission of LVM3M6. It's called Bluebird Block 2. Then there is a MOU between DRDO and RRU, Rashtriya Raksha University. What is the MOU? The MOU is for the country's defense, okay, and internal security system will become stronger. Of course, they have signed this on 22nd December to further strengthen the cooperation in defense and internal security fields. What will the benefit between DRDO and RRU? What will this get? Defense Research Development Organization as well as Rashtriya Raksha University, they will be getting the security systems of the country's defense will get stronger. Indigenous capability in research and innovation through technology development will be more. It will expand. Opportunity will be provided to young researchers and experts through PhD and fellowship program, because the university people can come, the students can come and learn in DRDO. Okay, then INS Sindhu Ghosh decommissioned. So who is this or what is this INS Sindhu Ghosh? It is it's a vessel. Okay, after 40 years of splendid service, it has been decommissioned. Means it is now taken out of service at Naval Dockyard, Mumbai, on 19 December. This INS Sindhu Ghosh is a submarine, and it was first came into workforce. It was inducted or commissioned on 30 April 1986, and now on December 19, 2025, it was decommissioned. Let us know something about this INS Sindhu Ghosh. It belongs to Kilo class diesel electric submarine. Kilo class diesel electric submarine. It has been given to us by Russia, received from Soviet Union at that time, Russia. Its role is to have maritime surveillance, monitoring enemy submarines and warships, securing sea routes. Special features: capability of long distance operation and proficiency in stealth operations. So now after service it has been decommissioned. Then comes new generation FPV Amulya inducted into ICG. What is this? INS Amulya. It is a third generation FPV of the Adamya category. So what is FPV, my friends? Fast patrol vehicle, right? So the fast patrol vehicle Amulya has been inducted into the Indian Coast Guard. Okay, it is the third vessel of this category in the Adamya category. It was manufactured by Goa Shipyard Limited. It promotes self-reliance in maritime security and defense manufacturing. Okay, then comes country's first AI-based diabetic retinopathy community screening. So we have this diabetic retinopathy, which is the effect of the eye because of prolonged diabetes. So we have now an AI based system which helps in identifying it. It was launched on 17 December 2025. To whom? Initiative to Armed Forces Medical Services. To the Armed Forces Medical Service, it has been first introduced. AIMS, AIIMS, AIMS, and the e-health AI unit of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, they launched this AIMS and the artificial intelligence unit, e-health unit of the Ministry of Health. Objective is to prevent eye disease and blindness caused by diabetes on early stage. What is diabetic retinopathy? It is a complication of diabetes that damages the retina of the eye. If it is not treated on time, friends, it can cause blindness, and that too permanent blindness. Its symptoms are not clearly visible at early stage, but having a screening will give good chance of tackling it. Okay. Then, India's first 3D subsurface mapping system launched. What is the subsurface? Let us see. It is a launch date was 5th December 2025. Who launched this? Genesis International. Okay, this subsurface mapping, a mapping system, it can accurately create 3D map of underground structure and utility network such as pipeline, cables, sewers. It can map and create 3D structure for better understanding. Okay, then microprocessor Dhruv 64 launched. So now the Dhruv NG is a helicopter, don't forget. Okay, Dhruv 64, it is the 1 gigahertz 64 bit dual core microprocessor. It was launched on 16 December. 1 gigahertz 64 bit dual core microprocessor. It was developed by whom? Developed by Center for Development of Advanced Computing. Center for Development of Advanced Computing has developed this processor. What is the feature? It is based on 64 bit dual core open source RISC RISC-V architecture and 1 gigahertz clock speed, very fast, suitable for intensive computing task. Okay, you can remember some few points of this Dhruv 64. The final one, 7 new technologies handed over to armed forces. So our armed forces received 7 new technologies. Okay, what are those? The Indian Army, Navy and Air Force, the armed forces, were formally handed over 7 new indigenous developed technologies. So what are developed in India? It has been given to the armed forces on 6th December. What are the technologies? Indigenous high voltage power supply for airborne self-protection jammer. So the indigenous high voltage power supply, we are supplying power indigenously to airborne self-protection jammer. Tide efficient gangway for naval jetty. Advanced very low frequency, high frequency switching matrix system. VLF loop areas for underwater platforms. Indigenous water jet propulsion system for fast interceptor craft. The new process to recover lithium precursor from used lithium ion batteries. This is good now, reusing of the batteries. A long lasting seawater battery system for long duration underwater sensing and surveillance applications. So these 7 has been handed over to the armed forces. So these are the friends, the science and technology part of you can say December 2025, and I hope you have able to revise, recollect and gain a good understanding of the current affairs. So this is the video number 5, part 5, and then we'll have environment and ecology. So keep on studying and let me know how your comments and feedback. So let us meet in the upcoming video. Take care.